Hey, welcome back. Creating and managing a coupon code is much more easier than ever before with Doplac CRM. So to create a coupon code, just click on coupon under the billing, and this is the page where you can find if you have any coupon that you have created before with your Doplac CRM. If not, then the page will be blank as mine. Okay. To create a coupon code, just click on create new coupon code button from the top right corner. And here it is. The first thing you have to make sure that your payment method is connected, because when you are creating a coupon code, it will be created based on your payment method. So my payment method at this moment, I'm using Stripe. So my Stripe account is connected. If you need any help about connecting your Stripe account to your Doplac.com, I'll be add a video to the I button. You can check the video out. Okay. So after that, I'm gonna choose a name for my coupon code. Okay. I'm gonna choose my discount code exactly. So it is okay. First done. Alright. Now choose your discount type based on which type you want to provide the discount. You can choose based on percentage. You can choose fixed amount. So I'm gonna continue with the percentage. So I'm gonna choose 10%. Whenever my user will use the coupon code, they will get 10% discount on my specific service or product. And if you want to create the coupon codes for any specific service or product, then just click all here, and here it is. You can find all the products and subscription that you have or available on your Doplac CRM. And once again, if you need help about creating subscription or product on your Doplac CRM, I'll be at a video to the I button. You can check the video out. Okay. And here it is. As I mentioned, if you want to create for any specific product or subscription, then just choose the product or subscription. I will create the coupon code for all of my product and services. So I'm not going to choose any specific one. Okay. Then choose your coupon code duration. I'm going to choose it multiple times. Okay. Choose how many number of time you want to use the coupon code. I think I'm going to use 50 times in a month, or you can continue with once whenever you are comfortable with. So I'm going to continue with once. Okay. Then choose your redemption limits. So when you are choosing your redemption limit the date range when your customer can redeem this coupon code. That's mean you're giving your customer a specific date that he or she has to use the coupon code within the date. Okay, so I'm going to choose this date. So as an example, the expiry date of the coupon code will be 27th of June. Okay, so my user must have to use the coupon code within the 27th of June. Okay. So after that, if you want to choose the redemption, how many time or how many total number of time the coupon code should be redeemed. So I'm going to choose is once again. So once user would be able to redeem the coupon code, or one user will be able to redeem the coupon code just one time. So I'm going to choose one. Okay. Then just click on create coupon code. And it's done. My coupon code is successfully created. Here it is. And on this page, you can find all the details that how many time your coupon code has applied, and the user's left, expiry date, status of your coupon code, then all the things. So this is all about actually creating a coupon code and managing with Doplac CRM.